Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Today I'll be doing a full face makeup transformation. I have with me my client. She has been my client for the last 3 years. Her name is Hami. She is a model and influencer here in Dubai. I started off by grooming my model brows. I am using a disposable mascara wand and a brand new blade. When you are doing this, please try to be careful so you don't hurt your client or your model in the process. After doing this, I went ahead to clean my model face using the Bioderma micellar water and a clean wipes to just take out any dirt and excess hair off her face. I went in with the Glow Recipe plump hyluraunic serum to just help hydrate and plump her skin. I further went in to use the Corx snail mucin serum. I applied a generous amount of this all over her face. I went right ahead to apply the Embroylisse moisturizer on the upper part of her body to match the moisture and the glow that is already on her face. I went ahead to use the Rimmel mattifying primer on her forehead, the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, and her chin. This will help control sweat and oil in these areas, which is basically the areas where we sweat and get oily the most. I went in with the Vaseline lip therapy to hydrate and moisturize her lips. And I went in to use my foundation. I used the MAC foundation and the Kevyn Aucoin foundation. So, a backstory. I mistakenly ordered this Kevyn Aucoin foundation and the shade is a bit light for her, but I did make it work at the end, as you will see in this video. So I just blend in my foundation, I mash, blend. Guys, don't stop blending. So I kept blending till I reached my desired shade, and I went in with the Huda Beauty foundation in coffee bean to contour her face. I used the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and a little bit of the Tarte tape shape concealer to highlight and brighten her under eye. I went in with the badescu hydrating spray to spray this to help it blend easily. Do take your time to blend your cream products properly. Don't be in a hurry. because any mistake you make in the process of blending in your cream product, if you have creases and fine lines, when you apply your powder product, it's going to be like that all through. I missed a bit of the Huda Beauty setting powder and the mercier setting powder because I did not want to use just the Huda Beauty. I felt like it would be too dark, and I did not want to use the mercier because lately I've really noticed that the mercier setting powder kind of leaves white casts, mostly for dark skin, even though it is translucent. After setting the highlighted areas of her face, I used my MK Beauty blush and the angled part of my beauty blender to apply a pink blush. I went in with the V Beauty powder palette to set all the areas of her face that I did cream contour. I skipped the video where I did her brows. Hopefully I will post it as a separate video showing you a detailed eyebrow tutorial. After that, I went in to do the eye makeup, and I will leave you to watch the entire process. It is a bit detailed. So when it comes to eyeshadow, do take your time to blend. Unless you already have the direction your look is going to, it probably will be easy and take less time. But with this, I was just working with the flow. So I actually did take my time to blend properly and understand the colors that I'm placing on her. I went on to use the Juvias eyeshadow palette to get a darker shade for the crease area to help define her eye. I also used that same shade, the same way I did for the upper part of the eye, the transition shade and the dark shade for her under eye. This will help her eyes to pop. Then I took another Juvias Place eyeshadow palette. I felt like doing like a spotlight eye where the lid will have some gold shimmers and also the tear dot. At this point, that was what came into my mind to do. If you're a makeup artist who works on clients, please take the time to step back and have a proper view of what you're doing. You will see me do that shortly. Yes, here I had to step back to really look at everything I've been doing, if it's aligning. Yeah. After doing this, I fixed her lashes and lined her waterline and did her liner off camera. And I went on to use the Talk Glam brown, I think it's a brown lip stain, and of course the beautiful Elegance Beauty lip stain and lip gloss. I will leave all the shades down below. Guys, the lip stain and the lip gloss I used are my brand. You can click on the links on the description to order. I went ahead to use the MAC Mineralized face powder for her face to dust off the excess powder. After doing this, I dust off the excess powder, blended the entire look. I went in with the Lady V Beauty Planet powder blush just to enhance her blush. I sprayed her face with the Make Hydro spray to melt in all the powder products that we have applied and set all the cream products together. After doing that, I went in with the Smashbox and the Katvon D chrome highlighter for the high points of her face, her shake, the bridge of her nose, and her chin. I also went in with the NYX mattifying spray. Since she's not going anywhere, this is just for the purpose of this video. I had to use that spray, and voila, here we have the final look.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart.